This is the real-time rows, and I want to show you two ways to get the answer to this question. The fast way, the way that I would use is just draw a plot. So they're telling us there's a straight line formed between the points 1, 4. So I'm going to draw this very nicely so that we can use it. I'm going to go to 1, 4 and 3, 2. So here are our 2 points, and what they're saying is there's a straight line which connects these 2 points. And they want to know what's the y-intercept of that line. Now that y-intercept I can already see is going to be 5. So this is going to be the answer. And I'm kind of just eyeballing it, and I can tell that that's the answer. If you want to get a little bit more rigorous, one thing that you can say is, well, this is kind of a back-of-the-envelope slope, is we're saying this line goes over 2, right? It goes from 3 to 1 in this direction. It goes over 2 at the same rate that it goes up to, right? It goes from 2 on the y scale to 4, right? So if it's going over 2 in the space that it goes up to, another way of saying that is it goes over 1 and up 1, over 1, up 1, which means we were going to go over 1, up 1, we'll find another point. So if we go over 1 and up 1, that's the point 0, 5, which is, again, the answer. If you want to be even more mathematically rigorous about this, so you don't want to eyeball it and you think that's clumsy and awkward, another thing that you can do is you can solve for the slope. So slope is y2 minus y1 rise over the run, x2 minus x1. So let's call this point 2 and this point 1. Y2 is 2 minus y1 is 4 over x2 is 3, x1 is 1. And what you get here is negative 2 over 2 or negative 1. That's your slope. You can then put this in point slope form if you want. So let's say we use the point 1, 4. A line in point slope form is y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. You can plug into this, and then you could solve for the y-intercept, which is you can see this is a much longer process, but it is algebraic if that's how you want to approach it. So we know the slope. This is m right here, that negative 1. So let's take y minus y1, which is 4, equals the slope negative 1 times x minus x1, which is 1. Now if you solve this, or you put this into point slope form, y equals mx plus b, we'll end up with y equals, what is it, negative x plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to negative x plus 5. This is that same 5. This is the y-intercept of that equation. Y equals negative x plus 5. So that's 3 different ways to get the answer, and you can take your pick.